Virtual tour, 2506 Fortune upstairs. This is a duplex, up and down, just updated. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a kitchen. Newer kitchen, has a stove, refrigerator, nice bathroom, a lot of storage. It's a gorgeous area in Parma, Ohio. You have a dining room here. All new paint, plugs, switches, lights. Great location on Fortune, close to downtown. Really nice. Here's one of the bedrooms, nice good sized bedroom here. Newer windows in this one. So you can see it's a nice place. So here's the living room here. So again, interior paint, plug switch. You have a nice outdoor patio. You can kind of sit in the evenings in the spring, summer, and fall. I don't know if you want to do that right now, but you can see it's a nice big open floor plan. And here's the other bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom, basically a 2-bedroom, a 1-bath property. A lot of room. Parma, Ohio, 2506 Fortune. Thanks.